Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to create an Excel file in Windows 10, 11 or 7 or 8. So any version of Windows you are using, if you have Excel program, so you can create Excel file and Excel sheet. So just click on start and type here Excel, open Excel. So type here your data, then click on file, and here guys you will see option save. So save, it will ask drive or folder where you want to save, so select your file or folder or location where you want to save. So this is the way guys you can create Excel file in Windows PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.